I got a question how to change this car model. As you can see, it's not an Opel or a Vauxhall Astra. If you press here, you can only choose a certain amount of cars. So I got the question how to manually add more cars, and I will show you. The first thing you have to do is to figure out how do you transfer your files from your computer or your mobile to the car system. There are many ways to do this. I use an app, Sendanything, and this doesn't require a Wi-Fi connection, and you can send files from your car radio to your phone or vice versa. But you can also use your Google Drive. You can download the pictures I will put in the description below, set them on your Google Drive, go to the Play Store, install Drive on here, and then you can get your files if you download them. Another thing that you need is File Manager. There is a basic version of a File Manager already installed, but it gives you limited options and you can transfer files between maps in this Android system. So when you have downloaded the photos, images, first you have to find them. So my pictures are located in Sendanything, and as you can see, I have given them these names because these names are exactly the same as models that are already in the app. If I press this car model, you get at the end a plus, and there are a few models pre-installed. These are already changed, of course, because I overwritten the files with my new files. So back, File Manager, locate the downloaded files. I've renamed them to already existing files. Select them, go to More, Copy to or Move to. I choose Copy, and then go to Android, Data, COM Android Launcher 3, Car Picture, and press OK. It will say, do you want to overwrite existing files? Yes. Overwrite, overwrite, and overwrite. Well, then, just to be sure, reset your radio system so it loads the images again. We'll put this video on hold because this takes a while. And we're back. Freshly restarted. So choose car model, scroll to the end. Now you can see my uploaded files are here. I've made a logo, Astra car, and I also made an empty one because I can choose the car, set as logo, OK, and then I have my own car. But I can also choose an Opel logo, set as logo, and then you have a custom logo. You can, if you're handy with Photoshop, you can make this into whatever you want. But as I said, I like my system to be clean. I don't have to have the car on the front, so I choose this one, the empty one, and now there is no logo or car whatsoever. That's it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.